In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Outlook mail notification pop-up not working. If new email alerts aren't showing up on your desktop, we'll walk through the exact settings to check in Outlook and in Windows so banners and sounds start working again. First, open Outlook. In the top left, go to File, then choose Options. In the Outlook Options window, click Mail on the left. Scroll down to the Message Arrival section. Here, make sure Display a Desktop Alert is checked so you get the pop-up banner, and Play a Sound is checked if you want an audible notification. These two settings control the in-app alerts Outlook requests from Windows. Click OK to save your changes. If these boxes are unchecked, Windows won't show a banner even if system notifications are turned on, so this is an important place to start. Next, close Outlook completely and restart it. A quick restart helps Outlook reload your updated preferences and reconnect to Windows notifications cleanly. If you leave Outlook running, changes to alert behavior may not take effect right away. Now let's confirm Windows is allowed to show notifications. Open the Start menu, go to Settings, then System, and select Notifications. If you're on Windows 10, this section is called Notifications Actions. At the top, make sure the switch for Get Notifications from Apps and Other Senders is turned on. This global toggle must be enabled or individual app alerts won't appear. Scroll down to the list of apps that can send notifications and find Outlook. Ensure Outlook's notifications are turned on. If this switch is off, Windows will block banners and sounds from Outlook regardless of your in-app settings. Turning it on lets Outlook's desktop alert and sound requests come through as you expect. Finally, check Focus Settings, which can silence notifications. In Settings, under System, open Focus. If Focus or Focus Assist is enabled, Windows may hide or delay banners while you're working. Set it to off, or adjust it so it doesn't block notifications from Outlook. Keep in mind that features like priority only or scheduled focus can suppress alerts during specific times or activities, so turning focus off is the quickest way to test. That's it. Thanks for watching.